Hello everyone, welcome to Learn and Clear Exams with me. Today in this video, I am going to tell you the answer key for question number 1 to question number 60 of version code A1 of PGCET MCA 2021. Okay, and this question paper was shared by Mr. Edson. Thank you. And then this is just the expected answer key. Do wait for provisional and as well as the final answer key. And for new viewers, if you haven't subscribed for our channel, do subscribe it so that in upcoming days I'm going to talk about or tell about document verification process and so many other things. And if you haven't watched this video, do watch it. And the link of this video I'm going to write in the description box. You can watch this video. Okay then, and for the regular viewers, thank you so much for your support. Okay guys, I'm going to tell the answer in reverse direction. That is question number 60 to 1. The reason I'm telling reverse direction, it is so simple that first question it made me so irritated, and that's the reason guys, nothing else. So I'm going to tell the answer in reverse direction. Okay then, fine. The place where money is coined, it is mint. Okay, gift of gab, it is to have a talent for speaking. Okay, sail is to sailor as pick is to a picker. I am predicting like 60% it is picker, and somewhere around 40% we can tell it as choose also, but let's wait. So the antonym of comfort, it is discomfort. Synonym of ironic, it is disguisedly sarcastic. Question number 56. And then back then, when we see the question number 55, first Indian women to become Miss Universe, it is just a second, it is Shushmita Sen. Okay, who has then question number 54, who has signed an MOU with the Department of MSME and Mines of Government of Karnataka to promote arts, craft and handloom sector of Karnataka. It is Flipkart. This Flipkart they had promoted. I mean, they had signed with the agreement of Karnataka government in order to promote the arts and craft. It seems, guys. Okay, fine then. Uh, if you are getting confused in reverse direction, sorry guys. And then 53, who has provided the drones named Bharat to Indian army to provide the accurate surveillance along with the line of actual control in high altitude and mountain terrains of eastern Ladakh. It is DRDO. And then, okay. Then 52, who developed the world's most affordable COVID 19 diagnostic kit, Cor- Corosure. Okay, it is IIT New Delhi. Okay, option B. Well, okay. Question number 51. A book titled Future of Higher Education 9 Mega Trends is authored. See, this is the answer for this question. The answer is V. Patab, Patabai or Patabi Ram, and this book it was released by or Mr. Venkaya Naidu, Vice President of India. But it was they are just asking authored in the sense who had written. The right answer is this one, option A. Well, the question number 50th, which day is celebrated as International Day of Yoga? It is 21st June. This 21st June, it is also considered, oh, this is also considered as, music day also, it seems. Then question number 49. Which state health minister KK Shailaja was honored by the United Nations for her efforts to fight the coronavirus pandemic in her state? It is Kerala, guys. Well, question number 48. Which bank has launched a digital solution loan in seconds for instant disbursement of, I don't know how do you pronounce this word, of retail loans? It is S Bank, it seems. I'm also quite, surprised with this answer. S Bank, it seems. Well, fine. Then again, moving on in a reverse direction, what to do? Okay, which country has largest navy in military? Again, I was quite surprised. This option B, it is China, it seems. Mhm. Okay, fine. Question number 46. First Indian Governor General. Very, very easy question. C. Rajagopalachari. See, this question number 47, they are asking largest navy in military. Okay. Then, okay. 45. Find the odd man out. Yes, of course, the answer is 19. Very easy question, guys. Odd man out. Okay, this 44 question, you should help me out. I'm not getting. So, do help for this 44 question. Well, 43 question I just solved. It is 66. If plus means division, minus means multiplication, division means plus, and multiplication means minus, then 63 into 24 plus 8 divided by 4 plus 2 minus 3, the answer is 63. Okay, fine then. How many triangles you are able to see? According to me, it is 12. Okay. Then question number 41. A is B's brother and C is A's mother. D is C's father. E is B's son. How is D related to E? It is great grandfather. Okay. Well, question number 40. There are five different houses P, Q, R, S, T in a row. P is right of Q and T is left to of right. Sorry, R and right of P, Q is to right of S. Which of the houses in the middle? It is P, guys. Okay. Then well, let's see the 39. Okay, a man starts from a point, walks 2 kilometers towards north, turns towards its right, and walks 2 kilometers, turns right again, and walks. What is the direction is facing? The right answer is question number 39. It is west. It is easy, guys. Oh, I'm not able to. Okay, fine. Okay, then 38 in the group of cows and hens, the number of legs are 14, more than twice the number of heads. The number of cows is what they are asking. And for question number 38, the answer is 7. Hmm? That is okay. For question number 37, find out the missing number in the following series 6, 11, 21, question mark 56 and 81. So the right answer for question number 37, it is option B, 36. Well, then question number 36, in a certain language, Kerem is coded as BZQQNL, and which word can be coded as horse? This the answer correct answer is IPSTF. Okay, well, question number 35. What do you mean by one to many year relationship? Okay, the right answer is this: one teacher can have many classes. Okay, then followed by moving on in our backward direction. Hope you all with me. Okay, then question number 34, BIOS. BIOS, the full form of BIOS is basic input output system, whereas in this option it is not there, so that definitely you'll be getting out grace mark. Okay, what else is a command interpreter called? The other name for a command interpreter, it is shell. Okay, then in first sem about operating system, you'll get you are having that subject, guys, operating system of MCA. Well, 32, the binary equivalent of octal numbers, 13.54. The right answer for this question, it is 1011 decimal 1011. Okay, this is the right answer. Well, moving on. So question number 31, how many bytes are there in the given series? Okay, bytes. They're asking how many bytes. 1 bytes equals to 8 bits, right? With that consideration for the given question, the right answer is question number 31. It is 2. Okay, guys. Uh, just a 2 second of break. Okay, I'm resuming the answers. I mean answer key. Well, question number 30. A program automatically connects to website and download documents and save them to local drive. It is web downloading utilities. Okay, back then 39th. Okay, software which allows user to view the web page is called internet browser. Okay, fine. Then question number 28. For question number 28, the answer it is 1001, guys. You solve it, you will get 1001. The sign magnitude representation of -1, it is 101. Well, question number 27, which of the following is not a bitwise operator? Which is not a bitwise operator? See, all these three are bitwise operator. This dot operator, it is not the bitwise operator. Well, question number 26, very easy. The most common method of entering text and numerical data into the computer system is through which of the following? Of course, it is keyboard. Fine. Question number 25. You will definitely get the grace mark for this. The correct answer is modem, guys. So the system, the system unit of a PC typically contains which of the following? The right answer is modem. Okay. Well, the answer for question number 24, which of the following are being made by a DBMS database management system? It is all of the above. Okay, fine. Then question number 23. Guys, I hope ignore all this blue marks, okay, blue ticks. Okay, whichever the answer I'm telling, I'll be telling in the red mark. Okay, red tick. Fine. Which of the following is not an input device? Of course, it is sound card. Okay. Modern computer follows a generalized set of instruction to perform any programs. What are the instruction? Okay, programs, nothing but the set of the instructions. Okay, fine. 21. Okay, C, COBOL, Fortran are used in which of the following? It is third generation computer. Fine. Then question number 20th. Okay, question number 20th. If a to the power of x, b to the power of y, c to the power of z or z and b square equals to ac, then the value of a is equals to. So the answer is this one, guys. 2xz divided by x plus z. Then question number 19, very easy. The three arithmetic means AM. Arithmetic means between 3 and 19. The answer is 7, 11, 15. Okay, fine. Then the 18th question. When you solve it, I just back then 2 hours back, I just solved. Okay. 1 second. If the coefficient of variation and mean of a frequency distribution are 5% and 125 respectively, then the standard deviation. See, in this question, they're asking the standard deviation, whereas they gave the CV. CV means this one coefficient of variation and mean also they gave. We just want to find the standard deviation. So the right answer for question number 18 it is 6.25. So the question number 18 answer is 6.25. Okay, the formula for coefficient of variation is standard deviation by mean. Okay, when you solve, you'll get 6.25. Okay, fine. And then question number 17. Frequency distribution can be represented graphically. It is histograms. Okay. Then question number 16. They're asking like focus of parabola y square minus 8x minus 32 equals to what? I mean 0. So the focus of parabola. So the answer for question number 16 it is -2 and 0. -2 comma 0. Option B. Fine, fine. Then well, the question number 15, if eccentric equals to E equals to 1 by 3, then the ratio of major axis to the minor axis of the ellipse. The answer which I'm getting it is 2 root 2 is to 3. And then And then the rest of the question is it was you know um quite difficult, guys. It's not difficult in 2 hours. It is so something vast to solve it and then predict the answer in this span of time. And we'll be thinking. Okay, we'll be thinking, okay, the time is getting over, and so many other thoughts come in the exam hall. Of course, even I to face that. It's okay. Well, the max part was quite tough, so only I just did in the reverse direction. When I too got so irritated, but yeah, what to do? It's because in the syllabus copy they said max, right? Max, English, GK, and reasoning, and they had framed the question. Nothing wrong in that. We should not screw them. It's their duty, they are done, and it's our duty, we should do. Okay, fine. Question number 14. The length of transverse axis of the hyperbola 3x square minus 4y square equals to 32. The answer which I got is that 8 root. Okay, this one I got 8 root 2 divided by root 3. Okay, fine. Then question number 13. If log AB equals to x, then the value of log to the base b, and AB, it is what they are asking. For the question number 13, the right answer is this one, x divided by x minus 1. Well, a small company employs 3 men and 5 women. If a team of 4 employees is to be randomly selected to organize the company retreat, what is the probability that the team will have exactly 2 women? They are asking exactly 2 women. So, what is the probability they are asking? So, the answer is 3/7. Fine. Hmm. Sorry, guys. This fine word is so recursive in the entire video. I the fine video is repeated many a times, ignore that. Okay, well, then question number 11. If the probability of rain on any given day in city x is 50%, what is the probability that it rains on exactly 3 days in a 5-day period? Okay, the answer is 5 by 16. Okay, and then question number, 10th. In how many days in how many ways we can form a garland using 6 different ways, guys. So the answer for this is 120. 6 minus 1 factorial you do, you'll get the answer. Okay, then question number 9. The value of cos of 1 by 2, cos inverse 1 by 8. What's the answer they're asking? It is, 3 by 4. Okay, then question number 8. If 2 tan inverse cos x equals to tan inverse 2 cosecant x, then the value of x, it is pi by 3. Okay, that's why I was telling you to prepare the second PUC or first PUC max books, and they had asked about trigonometric, and even the matrix they had asked determinants, and so many other questions they asked. That's why I was telling you. Okay, whoever had followed, thank you. Okay, and for question number 7, if tan theta equals to 1 by 2 and tan phi equals to 1 by 3, then the value of theta plus phi, what's the answer they're asking? So the answer is pi by 4. Okay, well, the value of cos 1 degree or so on, cos 2 and cos 3 and cos 180, what's the answer they are asking? So the question number 6, option D minus 1. Well, then question number 5, if the angle between two lines is pi by 4 and the slope of one of the lines is by 1 by 2 and then the slope of the other line. So the answer for question number 5, it is option D, that is 3. Then we are left with just 4 questions. Then question number 4. if x plus y plus z 9 and x plus y 5 and x plus z 7, then the value of x y z. So the answer which I got, it is x equals to 2, y equals to, okay, one second. Okay, I'm getting this answer. Yeah, I'm getting 2 3 4. Then question number 3, the inverse of symmetric matrix. The inverse of symmetric matrix, it is again symmetric itself, guys. And question number 2, if P, Q are in the AP, then the value of this determinant they are asking. So the right answer is none of this. And this is the question, guys, which made me so irritated. If you are my regular viewers, do answer for this question, guys. Although it looks simple, whereas I tried to solve it, I was not getting. In case if you got just in detail, write do write in the comment box what's the answer and how to solve it. Okay, this is how, guys, and do wait for the final answer key. Before final answer key, the provisional answer key they will release, and if you have any objection you can question it. And according to me, you know minimum 4 marks you may get the grace mark. Okay, minimum 4. That's it, guys. There is not that much of blunders this time. And last time also 3 marks, if I'm not wrong, only 3 marks it was grace. Except that everything last time also it was so fine. And then compared to when we analyzed last year question paper, I mean 2020 PGCT MCA and with the PGCT MCA 2021, this time the questions looks so simple. It I can't say it as so simple. Only the max part was difficult. Other questions it was easy, but in that exam all, yeah, doing it that so quite tough. Well, with this agenda, let us stop our recording. And if you and in future today or next year, if anyone watching this video our upcoming PGCT 2020, do not worry about anything. Just your preparation is very important. Okay. I mean, this video they will be watching in next year too, right? For them, I'm telling. Okay, well, let me stop the recording.
Thank you for watching. Bye all. Stay safe.